Well, come on! Don't fuss with me!
Oh my God, it hurts! Stop pulling too hard!
Woo-hoo! Hurry, hurry!
Oh, too fast! You're going too fast!
What do you mean too fast? I thought you liked going fast!
Not with you! You pull us too hard!
Oh, whatever. I'm already late. You better get used to it, because I'm not slowing down anytime soon.
Now, hold on. You heard him, boys. He wants to go fast. Let's let him.
There we go. Now that's better. Thomas! Thomas! Oh dear. He's already left.
Right then. We'll just have to stop him then. You stay here, Edward. We're going to have a talk when I get back. With Thomas.
Yes, sir. All right now. Up we go.
Hold back! Hold back! Hold back!
Oh! Oh, what the hell? Come on! God! Why?
Go faster, Thomas! Yeah, go faster, Thomas! As fast as you can!
I'll go faster, all right.
Come on, go faster than that!
We there yet?
In your faces! Your plan failed! I've reached the top!
Push him now! Aye!
Oh! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, what was going on?
You want to go fast! Your wish is granted!
No! Go back to holding back!
No, take back!
Oh my God! Stop pushing! Oh my God! This is too fast! Too fast!
Faster! Look out for the train!
Stop pushing! No! Stop pushing! Brakes!